Welcome to the HyperFast Agent Growth Show. Get real strategies, real results, and real estate them differently. Lead generation, team building, AI, and more from billion-dollar agents, best-selling authors, international speakers, and real estate coaches, Keri Shull and Lesniak. Let's dive in!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the HyperFast Agent Growth Show. Today, we're talking about something that can help you, whether you're looking to grow your team or if you're at a revenue share model brokerage, grow your rev share group. We're talking about how to use AI specifically to recruit 3 agents in the next 7 days, combining a couple different products and tools that are out there.
Yay! Okay, so I love data. I'm a nerd when it comes to this. And Dan got a technology called Corded.io.
Corded.io.
Corded.io. Okay. So one of the reasons that Corded.io will help you accomplish getting 3 agents in the next 7 days is that you can segment by how long someone has had their license and how many deals they've done. So I'm going to give you a very specific avatar. You want to look for an agent that has had their license for a very short amount of time and done a lot of deals. So we look at under a year that they've had their license, and we want to see that they've done 3 to 6 deals on their own in a year. It's okay if they've done 8, if they've done 10, if they've
So then
done
are we
12.
using the filter? Because Corded has a filter that you can say like likely not on a team or likely on a team. So when you say do it on their own, are you including teams, not including teams?
We are including teams, okay? But we are looking for the people who might be really ambitious and really good at solving problems and have put deals together quickly, but they're not getting the right lead flow. They're not necessarily getting the right mentorship and support. And so I'm going to walk you through hyper fast how to do this at scale. So first you get your list and then you export it, and it's going to tell you how many months they've had their license, and it's going to tell you how many deals they've done. Then you write up a script that you're going to do a mail merge with this spreadsheet. Okay, so the script goes something like this. Hi, insert their name. I noticed you've only had your license for, insert the number of months that they've had their license, right? And you've already done insert number of deals. Like I say, like, holy shit, that's insane. Like, nice job. Something so they're like, who is this person and what are they talking about, right? I usually swear. I'm just saying that's me because then they're thinking this isn't AI, but it is. It's HeyGen. So that's the next piece of this. So once you get your script really dialed in, you're going to then take a HeyGen account. Now, for some of you, you're like, what is HeyGen, Keri? For some of you, you're already using it.
We've talked about it before. If you don't know, you need to just go back and listen to some of the earlier episodes.
Yeah, exactly. So HeyGen allows you to have an avatar that looks just like you. Sometimes my avatar has my sunglasses on. Sometimes my sunglasses are on my head. Sometimes I'm in yoga pants. Sometimes I'm in a suit. This is not my avatar.
You have
This
the right
is
amount of
actually
fingers, though.
I do. But you know what happened in my avatar today? I was wearing sunglasses and then all of a sudden they disappeared. I was like, what just happened? So you do need to watch this before you send it out. But for me, I do the swear to get their attention. Then I say who I am. Then I tell them why I'm interested in having a conversation with them. And I say, by the way, if you're wondering if this is AI, it's definitely my twin. And if you noticed what I just did with you, imagine how I can help you in your real estate business with prospects. Let's talk. Then I have one of our recruiters just text that out. So if you're looking to recruit at scale, I promise you, you're going to get in touch with the right people that are ambitious, that might be the exact avatar that you're looking for to grow your business. Boom. That's it. That's all I got to say.
HeyGen and Corded.io. Corded.io it just has so much good data. It also has AI built into it too, which we probably haven't taken advantage of that as much, but you can use it kind of like a CRM as well. But in this case, we're getting our list from Corded, right? Agents who've been in the industry for less than a year but have done 3 to 6 deals, and then it's exporting, the key things you need for this script. So their name, how long they've been in the industry, how many deals they've closed.
Yep.
And then each video that HeyGen, and then so do you just upload that lists into HeyGen and HeyGen makes 50 videos?
No, we use AI to do that. So we say, here's the script, here's the spreadsheet, create the, hey, thank you. That is a really important part because I wouldn't want you guys to be doing that manually when ChatGPT will do it for you in like 5 minutes. So you give ChatGPT the spreadsheet, you give ChatGPT the script, and then you ask them to type out the script, and then you just cut and paste it into HeyGen. So for each video, it probably takes like 2 to 3 minutes to render. So my marketing person will do that while she's doing other work, and it'll render and then it'll be ready. And the video script, you want to keep it under a minute so it's easy to text. We text it instead of emailing it. You could also send it in a BombBomb video or something like that. But we just wanted to get it in front of people quickly and get a fast response.
Yeah, I'm just kind of thinking out loud. It would be wonderful if, like, if there was like a Zapier function of this where it just
It'd be
totally took the
super cool.
person out of the loop.
And actually, if you guys are listening to this and you've used this technology, I want you to comment below, like, Keri, call me, and put in your phone number, or give me your social handle, because Operator AI is a technology that's supposed to take, like, working inside your CRM, booking hotels, like all of this tech stuff. If you can give it the logins, it's supposed to be able to link it together. And that is something that could work that way. I have not gotten to that level of exploration yet, but I know EXP Corporate is using that for some insane projects right now. And it's on my list of an AI tool I really want to understand. So if you're watching this and you're using Operator AI, please comment below, DM me. That's my next big thing that I'm focused on.
All right. Well, if we implement that, we'll come back and do another episode. Just
Yeah,
Operator
a
AI.
future one coming. No, not if. We will be implementing this. I promise you guys, and we'll bring you all the latest and greatest. I hope you got some tips out of that so you can go and recruit successfully. Please give us a quick review. We want to help you guys succeed. That's why we're here. So fun to be a part of your journey. Thanks for joining us.
All right, guys. Thank you. See you later.
You've been listening to HyperFast Agent Growth Show with Keri Shull and Dan Lesniak. Real strategies, real results, real estate done differently. If you love this episode, tap subscribe and share with another agent who's ready to grow.